Good day everyone. I thought I'll bring you a quick update on the XRP trading chart on the daily. And specifically if you're interested in having a good idea of what is going on the market, what is going on with your XRP tokens, if you're an XRP holder, are there any opportunities for a bit of a trade? And a trade could be, it doesn't have to be a leverage trade, it can just be a simple selling some of your tokens. That could be a selling pot. You could have a separate hodl pot, and one that you use a bit for normal trading, just buying and selling and seeing if you can benefit therefrom. And if you really experienced trader, or you want to use a very small amount and do some leverage trading, that of course is up to you. I want to show you here on the XRP daily the excellent signals our charts have provided. Here is a buy signal, long signal, that was given at about the 51 cent level. A sell signal. There's two different signals here, but this one you would have used to get out or to sell. You could take a long, you could take a short here at 51 cents, or simply bought at 50 and sold 50, basically nearly doubled your money there. Buying back in, here was a 57 buy level, and there came a sell at 51. However, if you know some chart analysis, the long-term wedge there, very long-term wedge, and when that wedge broke, since we had this particular long signal, we would expect a short signal to come in higher up. In other words, this would have not been an ideal situation to sell. You would have waited to see when this short signal would come in, which would have given you a sell, basically a buy at 54 and a sell at nearly 90 cents. You must say 85, 80, 90 cents. Buying back in at 52, you would have got a sell signal again at 67. And now we are approaching the end of this wedge formation, received a buy signal here. So if you're looking into whether you should be filling up on your pot for the bull run, it might be the opportune moment to do so. Nothing is of course financial advice, but we're also looking at it in the long-term wedge. It's possible that this wedge could go to the bottom here, which is about 45 cents, but it would seem to be less likely currently, because we have been holding on this moving average. Also, this is a long term trend line that is forming this particular wedge. Although we tend to wick through it, we have been holding it. Coming towards an end of longer term wedge as well, the price action would generally start to move towards the top of that longer term wedge before we get a breakout to the top, as we are approaching, as we expect, continuation of a bull run and not a bear market, and therefore we would expect an upwards break to be coming in. So if you're an XRP fan, XRP has had a wonderful quick run up to this nearly dollar level. Had a nice about 50% pullback, more than 50% actually, consolidating in this area, and it appears to be getting ready for the big run. And might still be a bit of up and down. There might still be even a little pullback down to the trend line here. There's a terrible event going on like we had in March 2020. Then we could perhaps have a drop, but I don't know if there's any such event on the cards, and I don't think you will know either. If we look at the charts currently, we're approaching the end of this wedge, which is substantial wedge, and we have a buy on the daily, and that The balance of probabilities would probably mean that it is an opportune time to be in XRP. And of course, nothing's financial advice. This is chart analysis, and we are showing you, with reference to charts of buying and selling, signals created by our specific moving averages that we program into our system, what the results can be. If you're interested in joining our trading group, there are links on the YouTube page to our x.com page. You have to own one of the particular punk NFTs to be able to join as a member in our Discord. There's only 200 punk NFTs. It's a new community. It's going to be a fun community. We'll be able to give personal attention to everyone in the community because we only have 200 NFTs, and that's how we want it. And if you're interested, it's exclusive. So it's a bit of a premium to obtain the NFT, the membership NFT. But then you have that NFT as well, and that NFT will be or is tradable on OpenSea. So you will have a prospect, perhaps if you buy more than one NFT, to trade it in the future. Of course, whether you'll be able to find a seller, that's one thing, or whether or buyer of you will be the seller if you have more than one. On the other hand, we know how markets can go. It could be worth a lot more than it is currently as well. So no guarantees in that respect. You're buying a membership, and you will be a member, and you will remain a member as long as you hold that particular NFT. So, but it is a membership that you might be able to resell in future, and whether for a lower or higher price, that of course we are not allowed to say or cannot say, and that will be up to the market. Have a great day, and I hope to see you in our Discord.